Hey side hustlers! In this video I'm going to share with you 5 easy side hustles that anyone can start right now, no matter your skills or experience, so let's get started. One of the easiest ways to make money on the side is by taking online surveys. There are many survey websites that pay you for sharing your opinions, and you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey. Some popular survey sites include Swagbucks, Surveyllama, and Branded Surveys. Just sign up for a few of these sites, and start earning money by answering questions about products, services, and brands. If you have a talent for writing, you can make money by freelancing online. Many websites and businesses are looking for freelance writers to create blog posts, articles, and other content. You can find freelance writing gigs on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Just create a profile, showcase your writing skills, and start bidding on jobs. If you're crafty or artistic, you can make money by selling your handmade goods online. Sites like Etsy, Handmade at Amazon, and Redbubble allow you to sell everything from jewelry and clothing to home decor and art. Just create a store, upload photos of your products, and start selling to customers around the world. If you're familiar with social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, you can make money by managing social media accounts for businesses. Many companies need help with social media marketing, and they're willing to pay freelancers to create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers. You can find social media management gigs on sites like Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. If you have a car and some free time, you can make money by delivering food for services like Uber Eats, Grubhub, and DoorDash. These services allow you to work on your own schedule, and you can earn money by delivering food from local restaurants to customers in your area. Just sign up for a delivery service, and start making money by delivering food to hungry customers. And there you have it, 5 easy side hustles that anyone can start today. Whether you choose to take online surveys, freelance as a writer, sell handmade goods, manage social media accounts, or deliver food, there are plenty of opportunities to make extra money on the side. So, what are you waiting for? Start hustling, and start earning. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to SideHustlify.com for more tips and ideas.